Hello kids, hope you all are safe and taking all the precautions. In our last few videos, we discussed what is like, unlike and equivalent fractions and how to compare these fractions. Let us take a fun quiz today and see how much you kids have understood. But before that, do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Let's do a quick revision on fractions before we start. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of a whole, and fraction also represents parts of a set or a collection. If two fractions have a common denominator, you can compare numerators. If two denominators are different, you can find a common denominator first and then compare the numerators. Now, let's discuss equivalent fractions. Two fractions are equivalent when they represent the same part of a whole. Since equivalent fractions do not always have the same numerator and the denominator, one way to determine if two fractions are equivalent is to find a common denominator. You can also check with cross multiplication. If they are equal, then the two fractions are equal as well. Now, are you ready to take the quiz? What do you see when you join two halves of an apple? You get a whole of an apple. So, it means half plus half makes 1, right? Yes. Then comes the second question. Is 1, 2 by 3 and 5 by 3 equal? Yes, both are equal. Since 1, 2 by 3 is nothing but 5 by 3 when we convert into mixed fractions. Can you tell me which one is more, 4 by 8 or 1 by 8? The denominators are same, so we only have to compare the numerators. Since 4 is greater than 1, hence 4 by 8 is greater than 1 by 8. Okay, now let's check some equivalent fractions. Do the given model represent equivalent fractions? Yes, they do. Just by looking at the shaded part, you can say that the two are equal in value. But hold on, what if you don't have an image to refer to? Can you still tell if 2 by 8 and 1 by 4 are equivalent fractions or not? Yes, you can. If you remember the trick we showed you in our previous videos, yes, we can find out through the cross multiplication trick. Now, kids, tell me if 3 by 9 and 1 by 3 of two circles of the same size is equal or not? Yes, the shaded area is the same in both the circles. Hence, they are equivalent fractions. Do you think 2 by 3 and 2 by 6 are equivalent fractions? Do they look equal? No. But tell me kids, if the below fraction is equal to 6 by 14, the fraction shown here is 4 by 7. Let's find out equivalent fractions of 4 by 7. Do you remember how we used to find equivalent fractions? If not, check out our video on equivalent fractions. Now kids, tell us, is 9 by 20 greater than 1 by 2? So kids, make the denominator equal. I'm multiplying 1 by 2 by 10 in both numerator and denominator. Therefore, we can write 9 by 20 and 10 by 20. Now, after comparing the numerator, we get 9 is smaller than 10. Therefore, we can conclude as 9 by 20 is smaller than 1 by 2. Now, is 4 equal to 6 by 4? Yes. If we divide 6 by 4 by 4, both the numerators and the denominator, so the value remains same. We will get 4. Therefore, both the numbers are equal. Hope you enjoyed doing this quiz with me. If you want such more practice sessions, you can just write a topic in the comment section below. Thank you.